Never in my entire life na na-imagine ko ang sarili ko living on my own. Sanay ako na andyan lagi si mama at si papa. Dependent kasi ako sa kanila. But now I got an offer to work abroad. An opportunity that may never come again. So I said yes. To be honest, I am scared more than excited. Hindi ko alam how to do things without them by my side. But this is the new chapter, a new adventure. And this time around, it's mine. I am Reese, and I think I'm ready for the new chapter. My love, it's always scary kapag gagawa ka ng bagay na out of your comfort zone. Alam mo yung feeling na you've been doing something for so many years ng buhay mo, and then one day, there's an option for you to grow. Option for you to experience something new. And alam mong merong little voice inside your head that this type of opportunity may never come again. And you owe it to yourself to experience it rather than regret sa what ifs and maybes kapag pinalagpas mo siya. So Reese, lagi mo lang tatandaan, all the years that you've been with them, all the years that they've honed you, it was leading you to this moment. This moment that you have to be ready. That you have to spread your wings and fly. Discover new things. Embrace yung progress sa individuality mo. Embrace yung progress sa pagkatao mo. If you are scared, then good. Kasi sometimes being scared, yung fear is good kasi you know the risk you are about to take. Kasi you know na with fear na nararamdaman mo, you will be cautious, you will be careful, you will be mindful. Kapag kasi may bago sa buhay mo and aatakihin mo siya with arrogance, overconfidence, sometimes hindi siya nagpe-pay off or worse, nag-end up siya on a very negative note. So it is good that you are scared. It's good na nakakaramdam ka ng kaba. Because with that, you will be alert. With that, you will be reminded of the things that you should and shouldn't do. So sa mga kabisyo natin, kapag meron po mga oportunidad na para sa inyo, and alam nyo naman sa mga puso ninyo, na parang yung ginagawa nyo for the past few years had been routinal, paulit-ulit. What you were doing is something na stagnant, walang development, walang progress, walang growth. Yung parang nasanay na lang kayo. Comfortable place na siya sa inyo. Yung tipong pagpunta nyo dun sa ginagawa ninyo, kahit nakapikit, kaya nyo na siyang gawin. Yung ganong feeling, and yet you feel like as if something is still missing. Parang hindi pa siya nagmamatter. Parang may kulang pa sa kanya. And then this opportunity came and something in you ignited. Something in you was brought alive. Parang for the first time in a long while, nakaramdam ka ng excitement. Nagtanong ka na ulit ng what ifs. Naglagay ka na uli ng vision sa utak mo ng maybe kung kukunin ko to, ito yung mangyayari. Nakakapag-paint ka na uli ng different scenarios in your head. Then maybe, my love, just maybe, it's worth a shot. It's worth a try. Though sometimes what you are risking is more than just a try. Kumbaga, yung ipagpapalit mo sa kanya is again, a comfortable life. Pero this can offer you something better. You have nothing more to do. Wala ka namang kailangang ibang intindihin. You just have to take it. May safety net naman eh. You can always go back to your family. Your family will always be there waiting for you, supporting you in each and every way. Plus, andyan naman yung advancement ng technology. It's as if they are not that far away. Yung initial stage lang talaga ng transition yung magiging mahirap. The goodbyes, the time that you'll miss the experiences that you will no longer be part of, all of those will be scary. But that doesn't mean na nagiging less of a person ka, less involved, no longer a family. No. You're just growing. And it's a part of life that you should embrace. So as you start this new chapter in your life, my love, I wish you nothing but the best experiences this life has to offer. Look at it not as you moving away from your family, but you growing. You becoming an adult. You becoming an independent. You proving your parents na this is the kind of woman na pinalaki ninyo. And I'm about to make you proud. Lagi mo yang itatatak sa utak mo that everything they have done for the past years para sa iyo, it's all leading up to this moment that you can find a life of your own. And you can finally begin your own chapter in life. Claro?